Most people look for superpowers outside. Riches, fame, influence. But the greatest superpower is hidden inside you, your mind. Your emotions, your will, control them, and nothing in the world can stop you. John was an ordinary man. He had dreams, but he often felt weak, anxious, and scared. He blamed circumstances, luck, and others for his failures. Deep down, he knew something was missing: control over himself. One day, John lost his job because of anger and impatience. He yelled at a colleague and made a bad decision. Alone at night, he asked himself, "Why do I keep failing?" This moment became the first spark of self-awareness. Emotion * regret, self-reflection. John read about great leaders and athletes. He discovered a secret: the most successful people first mastered themselves. Controlling emotions, focus, and actions, they became unstoppable. John decided, if I want power in life, I must first control myself. Emotion * hope, curiosity, awakening. He started small, waking up early, finishing tasks on time, avoiding distractions. The first days were painful, he wanted to quit. But he reminded himself, discomfort today is strength tomorrow. Emotion * struggle, small victories. John realized fear was controlling him, fear of failure, judgment, and rejection. He forced himself to face one fear every day. First speaking in front of a small group, then bigger challenges. Slowly, fear began to lose its power over him. Emotion * courage, nervous excitement. Anger and frustration still struck sometimes. John learned to pause before reacting. He would breathe, think, and respond calmly. Life became less chaotic, he felt strong inside. Emotion * calmness, empowerment. John realized big changes start with small victories. He completed tasks he used to delay, resisted temptations, and stayed consistent. Each small win built confidence. Slowly, he was transforming into someone who could control himself. Emotion * satisfaction, growing confidence. Not every day was easy, he failed sometimes. Old habits tried to take over. But John learned the most important rule: self-mastery is about progress, not perfection. Every setback was a lesson, not a defeat. Emotion * resilience, realistic struggle. John began training his mind like an athlete trains his body. Meditation, reflection, positive thinking every day. He stopped complaining, he stopped blaming. His mind became calm, sharp, and strong. Emotion * inner strength, focus. With self-discipline and emotional control, confidence grew naturally. He no longer feared failure or judgment. John could take challenges head-on, without hesitation. Emotion * empowerment, courage. People noticed John's change. Colleagues respected him, friends sought his advice. But John knew, it wasn't about others, it was about his own mastery first. Emotion * humility, quiet pride. John realized, true superpower isn't fame, money, or strength. It's the ability to control your mind, your emotions, and your actions. Life could throw anything at him. He would remain steady. Emotion * revelation, awe. John started helping friends and family. He taught them simple rules. 1. Small daily discipline. 2. Face fear every day. 3. Pause before reacting. 4. Learn from failures. People were inspired, not by his words but by his actions. Emotion * motivation, inspiration. Years passed, John went from ordinary to extraordinary. He achieved goals he once thought impossible. But the greatest achievement, he mastered himself. Emotion * triumph, hope. John looked at the world calmly, unshaken. He smiled and said, "You cannot control the world, you cannot control others, but if you control yourself, nothing can stop you." Emotion * empowerment, awe. Remember, true power isn't in wealth, fame, or strength. It's in self-mastery. Control your mind. Control your emotions, control your actions. Every challenge, every fear, every setback, face them. Train yourself daily, slowly, step by step. You will unlock a superpower that no one can take from you. Self-mastery is not easy, but it is the key to confidence, mental toughness, and an unstoppable life. Start today because the strongest person you will ever meet is you.